Hello, I'm Bar-zak, and this will be an animated video of random thoughts that I have. So sit back, relax, grab a Calorab soda, and enjoy. Sometimes I wonder what the other versions of myself are doing in other universes. Like, what choices did they make? Or what is their evolutionary origin? This I like to think about a lot, because it allows me to be creative in my art, plus it's just fun to think up new worlds. Like a world where blood uses cobalt instead of iron or copper, or one with people having 3 eyes instead of 2. Or even a world that doesn't have corn in everything. What would be the next animal to become the dominant life form of Earth if we all died? And since the age of monkeys is over, who would be the next in line? Alligators, flatworms, orcas, crows, spiders, octopi, or giraffes? Though since Earth is home to many other organisms other than animals, even aloe, slime mold, E. coli would also be valid candidates. There is no limit on what is possible in an infinite universe of possibilities. Now on to scene 55. I find gears a cool and strange way of technology. The way they move, feel, their functions are fascinating. What would a turmeric and beet hybrid make if they were merged together at the genetic level? What would it look like, taste, and how would the foodies think of incorporating it into meals? If you turn the number 69 sideways, you get the zodiac symbol, Cancer. Can cellulose be replaced with chitin? If so, is it still considered a plant, or is it now considered an insect? Then what are insects if they can also have their chitin swapped to cellulose? How many carbon atoms would it take to make a ring that was the diameter of the Earth? Now with this new molecule made, what would be its name? Cosmic carbon polymer? Planetary plastic? Or, I can't see it. If an AI becomes a self-replicating system, would it be classified as a simulated organism or a silicon-based organism? Well, I'm Bar-zak, and this was my first attempt at combining my 2D art style with my 3D art style. So I hope you enjoyed it because it was fun to put together and fun at trying something new. Plus, I do have other video topics I plan to do in this art style in the future. But until then, See ya!